I have a question. Should I mulch around the new trees I planted in my yard?
So mulch is one of the easiest ways that you can provide a healthy growing environment for your trees and to lower the environmental stresses that trees have to endure. Things like drought, flooding, also heated up soils, cold soils, and winter damage. Now, what can you do to mulch? There's a lot of different kinds of mulches. There's wood chips, which are literally chips of wood. There's also shredded wood mulch, which kind of knits together. That's a good choice if you have slopes. And also you can use rock, provided that you put a landscape fabric underneath it. There's also cocoa bean mulch, there's synthetic mulches, all sorts of different things. All the mulches are fine. The rule of thumb is if it's an organic mulch like wood, you don't need an underlayment like landscape fabric. If it's a mulch like rock, you would want to put that under your rock mulch so that you're not allowing that rock to work its way into the soil. So what are the benefits of mulch? One of the benefits is it holds in moisture. That's helpful when it comes to watering trees and not having to water them as often. Another benefit of mulch is that it protects those feeder roots. Feeder roots of trees take up minerals and nutrients and water and send it up to the rest of the tree. So they're really important. They're in the top 12 to 18 inches of soil, so they're right below the soil surface. Mulch helps to protect them from compaction, but also from damage. Mulch also helps to moderate soil temperature. In other words, as we go into the winter and the soil tends to get colder, it helps to gradually allow that soil temperature to drop, which is less stressful to the trees. On the reverse, in the spring, it also allows the soil to gradually warm up so that, again, it's less stressful for trees. Now, how do you mulch? You want to have at least a 6-foot ring diameter around the tree. That allows for mowing, it allows for the tree to really expand and grow. You also want to be sure you don't pile mulch up against the trunk of the tree. You want to leave a space so that you can see the root flare of that tree and leave that open. And that's important for the health of the tree. We don't want mulch piled up along the trunk. It tends to break down the trunk tissues. It can also be a great place for critters to live. So there are a lot of benefits for mulching young trees, newly planted trees, but also your established trees as well.